Hello everyone, this video is about multi-currency landed cost in Odoo apps. So this module significantly enhanced the landed cost functionality in Odoo by introducing comprehensive multi-currency support, enabling businesses to handle complex international transactions with ease by seamlessly integrating with real-time currency exchange rates and ensuring accurate cost conversations. It simplifies the often challenging process of calculating landed costs for goods purchased in various currencies. Designed for business engaged in global trade, this module provides a solution to improve cost management precisions, streamline operation, and ensure compliance with financial standards. So let's see how this module will work. So first of all, we go into the sales, and in sales we go into the product, and here we have some product which are created. So we go into the drawer and we will go into the product category, and we will make sure that the costing method should be in between FIFO or average cost, as landed cost will work only for FIFO and average cost. And for inventory valuation we will click on the automated, because it will work only for automated. Now we will create one landed cost product which I have already created, which is transport fees. We will enable this is a landed cost button, and we will add product type as a service because it is a service type product, and we will assign a cost, and we will save, and our product will be created as a landed cost product. Now we will go into the orders, we go into the quotation, and we will create a new sale order. We will add customize as your interior, and we will add our product drawer, and we will save this product. After saving, we go into the landed cost tab, and over here we will assign a landed cost journal. Let's suppose I'm giving a vendor bill. We will assign a vendor bill journal, which is vendor bill again. For landed cost, it will automatically give us a number when we create a landed cost. We will add our product here, which is landed cost product transportation fees. And here you can see the cost will automatically add it. We will add a vendor over here. Let's suppose I am adding a vendor as a deco addict, and as our module is supported in multi-currency, when we click on the currency, here you can see multiple currencies over here. We can select any currency we want to select, and it will convert the rate as per the currency rate. Right now I am selecting USD, which is US dollar. And in landed cost we have five types of split method, which is by equally, by quantity, current cost price, by weight, and by volume. Right now we are going with the by equal, and here we will enable this vendor bill create. So we'll just enable this, and we will save, and we will confirm this. After confirming this, you can see we will get one landed cost number, which is LC20250012. And now we go into the inventory. In inventory operations, under operation we have landed cost option. We go into the landed cost, and we can see our landed cost, which is 0012, is created, and right now it is in the draft state. So again we go into the sales, we go into our product, which we have created, like the sale order, which is 0012 with the landed cost number, and S0037 is our sale order number. We go into the delivery, and we will validate the delivery. After validating the delivery, we go into the inventory again, and we go into the landed cost, and here you can see now it is posted once we validate the delivery. And also we can get the report of the valuation for this. By going into the report, we go into the valuation, and here you can see for the drawer we are getting the valuations for the landed cost also. And this module we can check also in accounting for a vendor bill creation. We go into the accounting, and under accounting we go into the vendors, and we go into the vendor bill. Here you can see the vendor bill which we have created, which is bill number 2025 020001 as a transportation. and here is the landed cost is added, invoice line, and everything will be created. And by clicking on the confirm, we can simply confirm the vendor bill, and it will go into the posted state. So this is how this module will work. And if you have any query regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.